Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the fashion choices of the stunning Sobhita Dhulipala. From traditional Indian outfits to modern Western dresses, Sobhita's fashion sense is truly versatile. Let's dive into some of her most iconic looks. First, the Elle India magazine cover featuring Sobhita has garnered attention with the diva dressed in exquisite couture by top designers of the country. In the photo shoot, she looks stunning as she dons a range of outfits, including a multicolor acrylic embroidered gown, a hand-embroidered slip dress, a crystal-studded sheer cowl dress with a jeweled handcrafted and hand-strung top, a printed blazer dress with black slit pants, a slinky sequin dress, a figure-hugging golden dress, and a mesmerizing ruched dress. Her ensembles give her a glam, sultry, chic, and demure look. Sobhita's appearance as the cover girl for Elle India magazine is truly mesmerizing and has made heads turn. The actress took to social media to share a series of pictures of herself donning a sassy black outfit from the designer label Sheila Khan. The strap outfit boasts a deep sweetheart neckline with cutout detailing at the midriff, while the front slit and elaborate ruffled detailing add a stylish edge to the ensemble. To accessorize the look, Sobhita donned metallic hoops, a layered necklace, and metallic bracelets. Her makeup, with kohl-rimmed eyes, defined brows, highlighted cheeks, and brownish lip color, added to her glamorous appearance. Sobhita, Bollywood's sultry siren, is known for her ace performances and stunningly fashionable looks. In this issue, Hello pays tribute to India's best artists across all genres, from painting to new media. For this special edition, Sobhita poses for a series of cinematically artistic shots. The actress mesmerizes as an artist, influencer, and style icon in an avant-garde blue dress complemented by daring eye makeup that harmonizes with her metallic gown and headgear. In the conversation with Sobhita, readers will delve into the remarkable life and journey of this immensely talented actor who is making waves in the OTT space with her recent act in The Night Manager. Readers will also get a glimpse of Sobhita's different side as she talks about design, art, and poetry, all of which make this cover epic. Sobhita Dhulipala, the perfect muse for HELLO's art special, shares, "I'm drawn to design, poetry, and the subtle expressions conveyed between the lines. Art has been my passion since childhood, even before I knew it was called art." Recently, Sobhita shared a series of pictures from her promotional events. This time, instead of casual or formal attire, she opted for the traditional elegance of a sari for a press event in Chennai. Sobhita played muse to fashion designer duo Rishi and Vibhuti and chose a monochrome sari to attend the event. In the pictures shared by Sobhita, she flawlessly blends style and comfort into her attire. Her white georgette sari is adorned with a black border and minimal embroidery details in black and white resham threads throughout. The actress pairs her sari with a sleeveless black blouse featuring a plunging neckline. Accessorizing with sleek white statement earrings and tinted shades, Sobhita exudes a vintage vibe. Styled by fashion stylist Eka, she wears her hair in a clean bun and sports nude eyeshadow, black winged eyeliner, black kohl, mascara-laden eyelashes, drawn eyebrows, contoured cheeks and a shade of nude lipstick. Sobhita's wardrobe is a true treasure trove, filled with stunning evening dress inspirations that include figure-hugging bodycons, impeccable tailoring, sensual slips, and modern ethnic wear. The made-in-heaven actor has never failed to display her unique sense of style, and her bold choices are always unexpected and exciting. This time, Sobhita has modernized the sleek black silhouette with a stunning shimmer dress. The slim-fitting outfit boasts a waist cutout and delicate halter straps, along with a beautiful strap detail on the exposed back. She paired her dress with a striking pair of black heels and chose to forgo accessories to let her outfit speak for itself. With her glammed-up makeup, featuring kohl-rimmed eyes, well-contoured cheeks, and a glossy red lip color, Sobhita has nailed the supermodel look with perfection. The actress took to the ramp in Mumbai for the Saksha and Kinney clothing label. The star sported an embellished bralette with mirror work and colorful embellishments in blue, orange, purple, black, white, and pink shades, along with a voluminous skirt for the occasion, and carried a colorful keyboard as a clutch. Clips from Sobhita's ramp walk were shared on the Fashion Design Council of India and Lakme Fashion Week official Instagram accounts. Her ensemble was completed with flamingo pink colored skirt, matching high heels, and a top bun hairstyle. She chose to forgo accessories and let the statement outfit do the talking. Her glam pics included a nude pink lip shade, winged black eyeliner, kohl-lined eyes, subtle smoky eyeshadow, blushed cheeks, glowing skin, mascara-laden lashes, and well-groomed eyebrows. Recently, the actress took to social media to share photos of her recent appearance, dressed in a chic black ensemble from the fashion label Sheila Khan. The strapless dress features a deep sweetheart neckline and a midriff cutaway that adds to the glamour. The dress's flare has an exquisite ruffled design, and the front slit runs thigh-high, giving the outfit an ultra-modern touch. Sobhita accessorized the ensemble with metallic bracelets, tiered necklaces, and hoops. Her makeup look is just as glamorous, featuring brownish lips, sculpted brows, accentuated cheeks, and kohl-rimmed eyes. The actress channels the iconic artist Frida Kahlo in her latest photo shoot. Known for sharing glimpses of her behind-the-scenes moments from ongoing projects and creative photo shoots with her fans, Sobhita recently took to social media to share some stunning photos from a leading magazine's shoot. Her portrayal of the legendary painter Frida Kahlo was simply remarkable. The beauty is the perfect fit for bringing anything artistic like this to life. She always adapts unique looks for her photo shoots that showcase the beauty of her vision. The actress stole the show as she closed the ramp for the renowned designer, Tarun Tahiliani, in an exquisite draped gown from his latest collection. The gown is a perfect fit for a bride-to-be's wardrobe, whether it's for a reception or a cocktail party. The sizzling red Tarun Tahiliani gown featured a plunging V neckline, wide straps on the shoulders, a draped crisscross silhouette on the bodice, corseted boning with sheer panels, and the dress featured ornate details on the midriff, gathered elements at the waist, a form-fitting silhouette, a full-length hemline, an open bag design, and a long train extending from the back. Sobhita's accessories were minimal, featuring strappy high heels, dangling earrings, and matching rings. The actress' glamorous makeup included a bold red lip, subtle smoky eyeshadow, winged eyeliner, mascara-coated lashes, feathered eyebrows, blushed cheeks, dewy foundation, sharp contouring, and a sleek back, side-parted wet hairdo. Her stunning appearance was a visual treat. Sobhita Dhulipala has been sharing some incredibly stylish pictures on her Instagram account. Following her recent post featuring a sultry dark green satin slip dress, the actress shared another picture wearing a satin dress. She appears stunning in a halter neck, milkmaid-style slip dress with a pistachio green hue. With a fringe hairstyle, smoky makeup, and matte lips, the model looks gorgeous. The dress highlights a straight-fit silhouette and a backless, tie-up design. The actress has left her fans awestruck with her latest Instagram post featuring a dark green satin gown. The actress looked stunning in the risque dress, which had a deep plunging neckline and a crisscross open back. The pleated pattern in the front highlighted her svelte figure. Her tresses were styled in waves, and she had slightly puffed up fringes framing her well-defined face. To complement her appearance, Sobhita adorned herself with shimmering emerald green stone-studded earrings, a coordinating bracelet, and a teardrop-shaped ring featuring a large green emerald. Her makeup gave her a natural-looking bronze tan glow, with her eye makeup being particularly impressive, complemented by a rich brown lip color and shimmery highlighter accentuating her cheekbones. She elevated her elegance with a jade green modern jewelry box-style bag and uber-chic nails in white and green lacquer. The actress exudes grace and elegance, and her Instagram handle provides evidence of this. Her latest photos showcase her wearing a stunning beige shimmery lehenga set that captivates hearts. As a muse for Surina Chowdhury, she looks stunning in a champagne gold sequin spray lehenga from the designer's summer wedding edit. The delicate net of the lehenga is adorned with sprays of sequins, mirrors, and a mix of crystals and gold zari. In another post, Sobhita Dhulipala looks breathtaking in an icy silver bling lehenga from the same designer. The actress is a true fashion icon, and her stunning appearances never fail to captivate us. Recently, the diva posted some breathtaking photos that left fans swooning. In a blue embellished lehenga paired with a white blouse and pearl hanging details on the border, Sobhita exuded radiance. The actress captioned her post, "It seems like I borrowed some of her clouds and many of her stars from the sky to weave into this lehenga." She opted for minimal makeup, featuring subtle eyeshadow, flawlessly shaped eyebrows, sparkling highlighter, nude lipstick, and radiant skin. Sobhita attended the trailer launch by Chandrakant Sonavane in a yellow silk sari that exuded elegance. The body of the pleated sari remained plain, while the border displayed intricate peacock motifs in gold zari work. She paired the sari with a strapless brocade blouse featuring jawls and a silk dupatta with gold stripes and intricate hemline work in gold. To accessorize, Sobhita donned a pair of earrings, a set of neck pieces, bangles, a ring, mathapatti, and 3 nose rings from Kishandas Jewelry. Her Chola princess hairstyle, kohl-rimmed eyes, bindi, and nude lips perfectly completed her look. The actress appears breathtaking in an exquisite pink sari designed by Manish Malhotra. The custom-made Georgette sari is a lovely pastel shade of pink with golden zari borders. Sobhita paired it with an intricately embroidered matching pink blouse adorned with golden threads. The actress accessorized with a diamond neck chain and golden bracelets. Her hair was styled in soft, wavy curls parted on the side, left cascading down her back. Sobhita showcased her reception look by sharing pictures of herself wearing an intricate purple sari adorned with golden embellishments. She matched her sari with a shimmering golden blouse and complemented her attire with heavy gold and kundan jewelry. The actress mesmerized us in an ivory organza sari by Rimple and Harpreet. The light-colored sari has appliques of intricate thread embroidery, matching sequins, and pearls, all designed in beautiful floral patterns. The full-sleeved blouse is intricately detailed to match the sari. Sobhita accessorized with a set of diamond-studded earrings and a ring from Kishandas Jewelry. She completed the look with short loose hair, contoured cheeks, lined eyes, and nude lips that stole the show. The actress set ethnic fashion goals for the wedding season with a series of sultry pictures donning a sage green and scarlet printed sari. The ensemble is credited to Payal Khandwala's eponymous label, known for its subtle attention to detail and refined sense of luxury. The scarlet organza sari costs 19,800 rupees and Sobhita styled it with a half-sleeves red blouse, white heels, and statement earrings from Curio Cottage. Her sleek black tresses were left open in a mid-parted style, adorned with a red rose. She wore luscious pink lip gloss, rosy blushed and highlighted cheeks, kohl-lined eyes with black winged eyeliner, mascara laden eyelashes, and filled-in eyebrows. Sobhita's look was styled by fashion stylist Bhavna Sharma, who gave fashion enthusiasts a crash course on styling saris with a sexy touch. Sobhita stunned in an ivory white georgette sari by Tarun Tahiliani, which left us mesmerized. The sari is embellished with silver resham threads and zari embroidery all over the body. She paired the sari with a sleeveless blouse that showcased her midriff and featured zari embroidery. To accessorize her look, Sobhita wore a gold and pearl neckpiece and silver earrings from Amrapali Jewellers. Fashion stylist Bhavna Sharma styled Sobhita's wavy tresses with a side part, while makeup artist George P. Kritikos opted for nude eyeshadow, mascara, black eyeliner, kohl contoured cheeks, filled-in brows and a nude lipstick. The actress has graced the cover of Kush Wedding magazine, inspiring modern-day brides with her stunning ethnic ensembles. In the photo shoot, the night manager actress is seen in beautiful lehengas and saris, each look more breathtaking than the last. She looks regal in a floral-embellished lehenga and glorious with a multicolored neckpiece. Her black printed lehenga and vibrant embellished sari also leave a lasting impression. Sobhita bears her cleavage in a V-neck blouse and mesmerizes in a cleavage-bearing ethnic outfit. She complements her looks with ornate necklaces, sequined blouses, and huge beaded earrings with pearl drops. In one of the ensembles, Sobhita sports a light brown Aisharar outfit with long sleeves and intricate hand embroidery, perfect for a destination wedding. Her natural makeup, including flushed cheeks, slick eyeliner, and fluttery lashes, enhance her beauty without overwhelming the look. Sobhita's love for saris. She looks absolutely stunning in traditional Indian saris, often choosing bold prints and vibrant colors. Designers like Raw Mango, Anvila Misra, and Sabyasachi have all dressed Sobhita in their beautiful saris. The actress also loves to experiment with fusion wear. She often pairs traditional Indian elements like a dupatta or statement jewelry with modern Western outfits. Whether it's a sari with a crop top or a lehenga with a shirt, she knows how to mix and match different styles. Sobhita's casual outfits are effortless yet chic. She often wears simple, comfortable clothes like oversized shirts, denim shorts, and breezy dresses. Her style is perfect for a relaxed day out or casual brunch with friends. Her red carpet looks, Sobhita always turns heads with her stunning gowns and dresses. She's worn designs by international designers like Elie Saab and Alberto Ferretti, as well as Indian designers like Amit Agarwal and Gaurav Gupta. The actress loves to accessorize. She often wears statement pieces of jewelry like chandelier earrings or chunky necklaces. She also likes to experiment with different kinds of bags, from oversized totes to trendy mini backpacks. Sobhita's love for bold colors. She's often seen wearing vibrant hues like red, pink, and yellow, which complement her warm skin tone perfectly. She's not afraid to stand out in a crowd, and her bold color choices make her outfits even more eye-catching. Whether she's wearing a sari, a gown, or a casual outfit, Sobhita's love for color always shines through. Her fashion choices are not just stylish but also empowering. She's a role model for young women who want to express themselves through fashion. She is not only a fashion icon but also a sustainable fashion advocate. She often promotes eco-friendly fashion on her social media and encourages her followers to make more conscious fashion choices. Sobhita's fashion choices are not just about looking good but also about making a positive impact on the environment. She's an inspiration to all of us who want to make a difference in the world through fashion. And one more thing we must mention, Sobhita's confidence. It's evident in the way she carries herself, whether she's walking down a runway or posing for a photo shoot. The actress' confidence is contagious and inspiring, and it's the ultimate accessory to any outfit. Sobhita's confidence is a reminder that fashion is not just about wearing the latest trends or the most expensive designer labels, but about feeling good and confident in your own skin. She proves that the key to a great fashion look is to wear it with confidence and attitude. She's not afraid to experiment with different styles, from traditional Indian wear to modern Western outfits. She can pull off anything from a simple jeans and t-shirt look to a glamorous red carpet gown. Sobhita's versatility is a testament to her fashion sense and creativity. She's not bound by any particular style or trend but rather creates her own unique fashion identity. Her versatility makes her a fashion chameleon. From her love for bold colors to her sustainable fashion advocacy, minimalistic yet elegant makeup and hair, confidence, and versatility, the actress is a complete style icon. She's not just a pretty face but a symbol of empowerment and individuality. And lastly, we have to talk about Sobhita's makeup and hair. She's known for her minimalistic yet elegant makeup looks and effortlessly styled hair. She often sports a nude lip and soft, smoky eyes that enhance her natural beauty. Her hair is usually kept in loose waves or a sleek bun, adding to her chic and sophisticated aura. The actress' makeup and hair choices perfectly complement her fashion choices, making her a complete style icon. Her beauty looks are simple yet stunning, showing that less is indeed more. We hope you enjoyed learning about Sobhita's fashion choices and got some inspiration for your next outfit. So there you have it, Sobhita Dhulipala's fashion choices. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.